Matterport 3D Tours impress home sellers and help agents win listings by delivering a visually impressive, immersive 3D experience. Because it's true 3D, agents can easily create online guided tours and include MatterTag posts throughout the home, with videos and other multimedia content to better tell the story of the property. Potential buyers experience the property in true 3D from their computer, tablet, or VR headset, getting the full picture of the property in a rich, engaging experience. Soon, those guided tours and the engaging MatterTag content buyers see online will be made available to visitors to the actual property, no matter when they visit, through AR open house apps. When visitors set foot on the property, an AR open house app can present them with a list of highlighted locations for a guided tour, and a path on their phone will show them where to go. When visitors get to a place where you have added MatterTag content, like a listing video or content about important features, they'll be able to easily view that digital content on their phone screen. An AR open house app will let visitors see and hear what you want to highlight about the property, while you're busy with other visitors or while they do a private showing with their broker. We expect this amazing future capability, enabled by Matterport True 3D, to further set you apart in the minds of home sellers.